burn out the pagan them like the gRAPIST Foota hype. Zane and one Marvin, disappointment that man. After people are real for you. Before you continue focus on some issues were affecting Jamaica, you will come. Because you know run down content. It's not about making Jamaica better. Because if Marvin was about making Jamaica better, right? What the hell is Lisa Hanna doing? And then Marvin talk about say the young girl them shall influence the young girl for do what? What is she influence the young girl them for do? The young girl them not have parents. Eh? What is she influencing the young girl them? Cause some school girl them talk about. Because a long time I see woman I do tutorial over makeup, body this and body that. So me I say, and then them a body shame Lisa Hanna will look so attractive, so seductive, so sexy, so beautiful, so sweet, so gorgeous, so fine, so honey type, so mangoes, so so watery, so mouth watery.
Customs taking it or immigration or TSA taking it, it's 100 ml. This is not just cosmetic. This is actually a face and body serum that has mastic resin to help your body promote and open its own retinoid pathways. It has protected vitamin C. It has matrikins as peptides. It has hyaluronic acid. It has ceramides. The product is skincare. It's hydrating. It's smooth. Check out the clinicals on Lisa Hanna Beauty. I wear this morning and evening. And what you will find is because it's deeply hydrating, it goes right into your skin without feeling sticky. It doesn't leave a residue. It doesn't sit on top of your skin. It goes right in.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in. Look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a keep a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give him a bird can team some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, lesbially, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up high do nally, then be clarin and them off me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. I de left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who little nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Yeah, people, yo, I've wanting to get around to this video for so long now. And just, been so occupied. Have you ever tried Occupy? Well, it's something like that. I was occupy, preoccupy, you know what I mean? And I actually had intended to cover some story about the World Cup. So may I gather all of the World Cup, like a strange news we are going with America, because there's so much to say about that. You know, with America hosting the World Cup this year, right? So when I stumbled across this post, I was like, all right, let me just get rid of it and send it off and display some level of intelligence what most people fail to display. You know, because we see a bunch of nonsense done spot all over social media talking against Lisa Hanna. Hey, you see when you're great, this is how you know the waste people, you know. Them lack intelligence, you know. Like even Marvin is really a done spot, you know. After the people them a fight for your Marvin, right? You just come take up Lisa Hanna business and you show up yourself like a real waste man, brother. Before you focus on the injustice and them thing that you take up yourself, I come review Lisa Hanna talk about our age and what she's supposed to do. Go stink. Go bad. Nasty boy Marvin, move and go. You nasty like Foota hype. You know, disgusting. Who is Uno? Who is Uno nasty ass where I come tell the big woman what she supposed to and what she can do? A woman who have accomplished so much and she has way more intelligent than the whole Uno nastiness where I talk against her. Everybody who me see attack against Lisa Hanna, they have no intelligence. And that's why when them become of age, them are go dance. Them now go can break no barrier, now go can bring nothing forth to the nation. Because them so lame and them live inside our box. Them mind in our blood clot matches box. Them brain. Some peanut size brain them have. Zin, what Lisa Hanna is doing here, nothing is wrong with it. And it's actually a good thing she's doing. Right? Our body is very important and how to care with body, how to care with skin. You see, enough of them nasty money and them waste money like nasty gRAPIST, Foota hype, the nasty boy Marvin where people are support what they are. All me I support him in my vlog them. I would never go give no signature for him because I not like him genuinely, I never really like him. Because he make up too much noise on my ears. Me not like when every time I go up on social media, every one of your content is a shouting, screaming content. You know what I mean? That is Marvin. Me not like them people. Why you feel like you have to shout so much? You can have a moment of, you know, casualness. You know what I mean? Or some formal display of yourself. You see me? The whole TikTok boss and some people like Marvin wherever shout and loud, no sir, can't manage them, you see me? But the fact that people are supporting him and him, you know, we actually thought he cared about the people them, and to me, he may have other agenda apart from just the whole idea we must sell, having us thinking that he cares about the life being lost by the police them. You get what I said? Yeah, them boy, them me not think there. Me not trust, right now it's hard for trust no social media people, you know. A big man thing, because enough of them are cloud chasers. And you see the facts that Marvin come take up Lisa and her business and a cast judgment on her feet. That little dunce boy Marvin, the air boy, you little dunce bat Marvin. Me and Mala talk about cutlass in him yard. Like, what kind of idiot that? If no man want brush your blood clot Marvin, you get brush all in your blood clot yard. And what the fuck do you? He might talk about him cutlass and this and that. Them boy, they are some little comedian. I don't understand. Him little bumper clad. The whole of Marvin head look like blood clad Lisa and her body. You get what I say? Him head. There's something similar about him head and the skin tone of Lisa and her body. I know him head. Him head no look like, Marvin head no look like a head. It look like a punani. Maybe that's what I'm trying to say here. You know what I mean? Big man thing. So let us move on from the naysayers them. I congratulate you, Lisa Hanna. You see, don't smart people will love fight against the people them like Kartel who is successful, happy and a living life. Dunce people can't fathom them thing because them live so boring. They will never be a hero. They will never be the ones for break no barrier. They will never be the ones for inspire nobody because them live inside a shell. You get me I say? Remember, say the greatest human beings are the one who take things out of the norm. Like, you know, they bring something that everyone would say, nah man, that is foolishness. You know, the greatest of people them are the ones that are able to see outside of the box, visualize outside of the box. Right now, Lisa Hanna is a big woman, and what she's doing here, it shows you say she's definitely visualizing outside of the box. Because them dunce Jamaican bumble ya feel like say true you're 50 or you can't show your body or something. And then what's the difference between being at the beach, you know what I mean, and something like this, educational, because this is educational, you know, right? We got the beach, we see woman in a tongue or swimsuit, whatever you want, we are the same blood nothing. Panty and bathsuit are the same thing to me. You see what I say? So we know saying everywhere, right? It's appropriate to dress certain place. But she in her room, Kartel in her bathroom, and people where they about them business, I look on them phone and have problem with these people. Like, how dunce are you? That's why I tell you, you know, it's definitely lack of intelligence why you say Marvin. Because remember tell you this, there are people who are more intelligent than others, you know. Like there's all type of variety and level, various level. You have people who are this much intelligent above this one, this much intelligent above this one. Some are barely, some are at the same, some are vastly higher. And how you get to know who is more intelligent when it comes to decision making, you know, thinking critical on how to, you know, decision making when choices present themselves. Who has the better decision? Who makes the better bets? You know, who makes the better bets? Not just sports bets and all these supreme venture betting that we all gamble here in Jamaica. You know what I mean? We're talking about difficult decisions, and a lot of times the decision that presents themselves to us as people, they're not even difficult, but because most people are so dunce, they make some simple choices seems as if they're difficult. Because there's no way that we as Bumblehole Marvin and the gRAPIST Foota hype have no problem with Lisa Hanna. Because Lisa Hanna is not Lisa hype. And then 119 with theme blurred clad, ball sour blood not self. With him bald head. We can tell this a girl sit down in him chair. Him say Munga save him, you know. When Munga sing, me nah mad, no, me nah mad over no girl. Cause him go for 119, so him go for mad over one girl to blood not. Boy, may I tell you, that's crazy. So let us run into this video and see what Lisa Hanna has to offer. Because we're seeing her, Lisa Hanna, she's in that same pathway that we've seen the likes of Rihanna, Beyonce, and all your favorite international celebrities and superstars, megastars, female celebs are on the same pathway. Because we've seen now Lisa Hanna have her product, you know, on the market right now, you know, and the post captioned by Moutamasi post this. I may have a few words for Moutamasi after I read this, you know. So it just says Lisa Hanna promoting her new product, right? That's what Moutamasi captioned the video saying. But we notice from Moutamasi, see Kartel forward out of prison. It's like she start show her true dirty colors, you know. You see me see she promote the Kemar McGregor Kiss of Judas album, Zane. And in the midst of when everyone exposed Kemar McGregor buying him own album, right? And I spend money, I use ways for cheat the race. And she not point out none of that. She just continuously promote it like say, oh, Kemar McGregor and Kiss of Judas #1 leading Kartel. I don't think the Moutamasi and that little waist girl there, she did act so stush and nicey before Kartel forward out till people support her. And now she just a show up her little dirty, immature self. I can't believe Mouta Massey. She a do some little crude things from what I have to say. No, that girl, hey, I want country girl, you know. It was a country girl all along, you know. I think seal it, blood clot seal. A girl that want blood clot country girl. And it's like she start world some YouTube money, you know, where you that things they should have used to, you know what I mean? Friday, no bumbuckler Friday and Saturday and Sunday go right back to Friday she is. Mouta Massey. No make we have to done your little fussy. You see it? Kartel do that song there in 2007. And she, blood clot, never know. And she take up the name and naturally get this. She done some unintelligent. She take up the name Mouta Massey when Kartel a bus shut off for some big Mouta Massey from 07. Bumbuckler. That's why chef dip on the side naturally where I hate pan Kartel, you know. Cause 07 Kartel say, Mouta Massey, don't make me a fit on your little fussy. Bumbuckler. Me go hear what Lisa Hanna have to say. You see me, sweet, sexy woman. And them woman are brilliant. You can't even see Bumbuckler Mouta Massey. None of them gyal sound good behind the screen, but if you be all eyes on them to blood clot, you'll never see night or day again. Because the sight of them are gonna plague you. You have nightmare and daymares. You see me? No joke. Mouta Massey, we know what. Can you hear what Lisa Hanna have to say?
Cosmetic. This is actually a face and body serum that has mastic resin to help your body promote and open its own retinoid pathway.
Have what? To open your own retinoid pathway? Remember we are talking about the pathway? Anyway, all I can say is that to how you see Lisa and her body shining. Me a dead over that woman here from me a baby, you know. From me I go primary school, me a dead over that woman here, you know. No cap, you know. That woman here is a beautiful. Oh, you for this, that woman here? Who the fuck is the owner, man? What is some waste man like 119 and Foota hype? One to them waste man here like Marvin. Oh, them so done. So you for this? Oh, you for this, Lisa Hanna? What you do now? I mean, I tell you, them nastiness, them love this, the good people, them, and the real evil people, them not have no strength for them. You ever see 119 at this Andrew Wellness? Eh? You ever see my this Andrew Wellness? A waste boy there. And Marvin, him only at this Andrew Wellness. Because Andrew Wellness are wicked still, you know. Zin? And Marvin know that. Marvin have a little sense of intelligence, but it's not that high. You get me? I say it's not that exceptional. You know what I mean? It's just a little sense over the majority of TikTokers them. Him have little sense over the majority of TikTokers them, but him not really sensible. Because if him did sensible, then him wouldn't pay no mind if him never have nothing good for say. Like how him never have nothing good for say about Lisa Hanna. Him shouldn't pay no mind in the midst of when people are support him and stand behind him for over the police judicial killing where go on, the unaliving of the police them. Then him take up himself and come this Lisa Hanna. And people don't know to dig him with him appearance and the way him go on and him look a split teeth. You know what I mean? Waste boy Marvin, bumbuckler. Anybody must say this Lisa Hanna, what she do now? We will never see Lisa Hanna do people for she get disrespected. So, like, let me tell you with enough of them people here, them feel like say anybody for get disrespected. Some people don't deserve to get disrespected because them not disrespect people. You understand me? Only people who disrespect people where don't deserve to get disrespected are the ones who get disrespected. Just like how uno nastiness like the gRAPIST Foota hype, the gal clown 119, and the batty boy Marvin. See the three of them? Yes, three of them. Idiot them. See? And them forget cuss out and burn out. Because them are disrespect somebody who nah disrespect nobody. You ever hear Lisa nah disrespect nobody? Or I do bad to people? She not even, yo, me say from she not politics, she try to play the good girl role there, that good person. Like she try to separate herself from the corruption in her politics. Me seeing that. Where she try to stand out and step away and stand aside different from the whole corruption and the other politician them. You know, like when me look on certain politician, me not see corruption pan them. Like when me look on Damian Crawford, me not see no corruption pan him. Me look on Lisa Hanna, no corruption. Me look on Mark Golding, no corruption. When me look on Philip Palwell, me see corruption. Peter Bunting, me see corruption. So them man they in the PMP, me see corruption pan them. But the whole of the fucking JLP are corruption. The whole of them, because them stand by. The only person in the JLP who walk away from Andrew corruption is who uno says gay. The Andre Stephen. Big up to that man. Give him a round of applause. Because him step away, him had the guts to step away. So you see? Let me tell you, man, some of them people here, man, on social media, them are the worst thing in society, like the GRAPIST Foota hype. You get me? I say a good thing. That's why God send diabetes for him, you know. Because, boy, me I tell you, if him could have lived again, he would have still a grape. So thank God. Round of applause for God. Yeah, man. Them boy there, Lisa Hanna wouldn't save. That's why you see Foota hype a play a blood clot. I try using brain pan people about, oh, these video vixens so young in of it. Him a grapist, a gully bank in him born and raised down in the gully banks with the friggin' drunkard them and the dirty dog and dirty pad and dog vomit, dog crap. Them blowing him food, blowing him nostril, the whole of him life I grow down in a gully banking. Be a dog shit and dirty pad with ton dust where wither down to dust. The breeze blow right through foot and mouth. It captivate him, all of them bacteria and germs near me mouth, piece by piece. That's why him have diabetes. In blood become the drunk or nastiness down in the gully where him come from. You see what I say? From inside out, upside down. World go round and round. Rest in peace, Cocotti. When I'm last big song that him do. Inside out. World go upside down. Big song him fine. When Kartel did just go a prison. You see me? Them me say Bumbuckler Cocotti, them still a find it. Richie Spice? Yes. Richie Spice. They have the bad song to pan in there. Zane? Some bombat reggae artists. We need them black man. Big up the axe time. I go on good too, you know. Since him start, you know. Him find it. The Patrol song. We go check out him Patrol song. Could you hear what Lisa Hanna have to say again? I could move this.
Has protected vitamin C, it has matrikins as peptides, it has hyaluronic acid, it has ceramides. So this product is skincare, it's hydrating, it's smooth. Check out.
Yo, Lisa Hanna, look at her face. She is a star, brother. She's beautiful and look young same way. I don't care if her makeup do it. The woman here is blessed. Look at her face, how young she appears to be. Oh my goodness. Look at the hair. This is Halle Berry in her prime. This is freaking Halle Berry in her prime. And her body is still beautiful. There is a little bit, just a tiny bit of sagginess, but it's not really sagginess because she's built different. You know, you might think that, you know, trust me, I've never seen a Jamaican woman so sexy in a them age, yeah, unless we're talking about when I was way much younger. Nowadays, Jamaican woman is either them too maga when them reach them age or them too big. But you now find them. And enough of them want to tell themselves that them have to go rich for look like Lisa Hanna. No. Our woman them never did have to rich for look so. In a these age. Yo, Lisa Hanna, I'm proud of your girl. Continue to educate the nation on how to properly take care of their skin and their body. Right? This is she's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. She's clean. Cleaner than Listerine. Bumbucklad. Yo, a Lisa Hanna blood not somehow if you go wash out on the mouth with man. 119 go wash out your mouth with Lisa Hanna, man. Go wash out your mouth Foota hype with Lisa Hanna. Go and fix your blood clot, twist up mouth, twist tongue and twist teeth. Foota hype crosses boy. And then the ball shined blood clot, woman body punani head blood clot Marvin. In my next one, go wash out your mouth with Lisa Hanna, man. Nasty boy, move from here, so. Bumbucklad, don't leave the woman alone. What? Only for this, that woman here. Only think is a woman this one can style up blood clot idiot boy. Only feel you can raise on voice and this show you say them duns. Oh, you feel raise your voice and disrespect that woman here. Who she ever this? Who you ever see that woman ya this? You know, this people when not this people, brother. A people with this people when not this people, and them people with this, like them we are this Lisa and a Kalisa and not this nobody. And them true she as a victim for this. We are got this on a bombard. And Lisa and a baby me I got kiss your belly now. Zin, let it play. Get rid of the colors.
Clinicals on Lisa Hanna Beauty. I wear this morning and evening, and what you will find is because it's deeply hydrating, it goes right into your skin without feeling sticky, it doesn't leave a residue, it doesn't sit on top of your skin, it goes right in. So I do this face, legs, shoulders. So because spring and summer is coming, and this is for ladies and men. So what you're seeing is I don't look glittery, do I? I don't think so. And as I get ready, even when I take a shower in the evenings, this is also 100 ml. So it's travel size. So you can travel with it. You don't have to worry.
Yes, that is awesome. That is awesome. Yeah, man, nice body. May I tell you, I don't remember nothing what she just said. Because as you see me, I focus on my picture, I move it around. Round and round she goes. I mean, round and round I go. Zin? Yes, Lisa Anna. Zin? The message is not really important here, what she's saying, you know. It's what me I say and I burn out the pagan them like the GRAPIST Foota hype. Zin and one Marvin, disappointment that man. After people are real fear. Before you continue focus on some issues were affecting Jamaica, you will come. Because you know run down content. It's not about making Jamaica better. Because if Marvin was about making Jamaica better, right? What the hell is Lisa Anna doing? And then Marvin I talk about say the young girl them shall influence the young girl for do what? What is she influence the young girl them for do? The young girl them not have parents. Eh? What is she influencing the young girl them? Cause some school girl them I talk about. Because a long time I see woman I do tutorial over makeup, body this and body that. So me I say, and then them a body shame Lisa Anna will look so attractive, so seductive, so sexy, so beautiful, so sweet, so gorgeous, so fine, so honey type, so mangoes, so so watery, so mouth watery.
Customs taking it or immigration or TSA taking it, it's 100 ml. This is not just cosmetic. This is actually a face and body serum that has mastic resin to help your body promote and open its own retinoid pathways. It has protected vitamin C. It has matrikins as peptides. It has hyaluronic acid. It has ceramides. The product is skincare. It's hydrating. It's smooth. Check out the clinicals on Lisa Hanna Beauty. I wear this morning and evening. And what you will find is because it's deeply hydrating, it goes right into your skin without feeling sticky. It doesn't leave a residue. It doesn't sit on top of your skin. It goes right in. So I do this face, legs, shoulders. So because spring and summer is coming, and this is for ladies and men. So what you're seeing is I don't look glittery, do I? I don't think so. And as I get ready, even when I take a shower in the evenings, this is also 100 ml. So it's travel size. So you can travel with it.
Yeah, that's one of the best things, and I'm sure y'all may be of major concern about traveling with these products or items. Because, you know, like going through these TSA checkpoints at the airport, you know, the TSA, what does it mean again? The TSA, some transportation, security airline. Yeah, something like that. Because we're talking about the airport and all these checkpoints, metal detector, and, you know, all these surveilling of individual, you know. Well, she's saying that it's safe to travel with. And, you know, I think she did a lot for that to happen, for them to recognize her product. You know, so you guys better don't go put no cocaine or anything illegal in them bottles to bring her down. Because we've seen a big container, a big truckload, right? A big truck that is loaded with cocaine that was found by some cops, some police officers. And the other products in the truck was belonging to Kim Kardashian. They were skincare products and other products that was in the trucks, along with cocaine hidden all over in the truck. And we've seen people coming out bashing and accusing Kim Kardashian of being guilty when the truck driver is the one who is found guilty by the police transporting these cocaine. You know what I mean? So, you know, this is what even the Bible speaks about, pointing fingers, you know, and we don't want y'all to go do the same thing so people would say that Lisa Hanna is behind it because it's her product and her packaging. You know what I'm saying? And she ain't like that. And we don't know Kim Kardashian to be like that either. So, I mean, out of Lisa and or Kim Kardashian, who is more attractive, sexier, the sexiest? I would have to go with Lisa Hanna here. You know what I mean? Lisa Hanna, baby, I love you. I love you from I was a baby. I love you, baby. And I say Jamaica said the most wicked things. Yo, from me a youth, you know, I grew up, I see Jamaicans that disrespect the best people them. That is why we can't go World Cup, because Jamaica, they shit on Renee Simoes, who took us to World Cup, as some uncivilized set of nation that was so excited, dumb and fool in discipline, and then we disrespect the man. Because when the man took us there, you know, we get so ahead of ourselves now and thinking, say, we can diss Renee Simoes. Enough Jamaican not rate Renee Simoes. Me I tell you about educated people too, you know, where them disrespect the man, you know. That's why me know say, you see, this world is just like when me I read the Bible and how the Jamaicans is just like the wicked set of pagan them in the Bible, where stone Christ, where do all the wickedest atrocities them to the best people them, because them blind spiritually and mentally, them blind and unable to see that there are people that don't deserve to be disrespected. You get what I'm saying? And Lisa Hanna is one of them. Renee Simoes, that's why Jamaica curse on God. I've been saying this. And there was so many other Jamaicans saying it when I was a child. There was so many other Jamaicans saying, you know what? Jamaica now go World Cup again, you know, because to them, this Renee Simoes. I don't care if you want to say a rubbish me attack. I grew up, I hear enough people say that, and I believe and stand with them. I'm not see them people again. Me have to wonder if they all die, because nobody seem to remember that. You know? Nobody. And Renee Simoes still took the disrespect gracefully. And the man never said nothing bad even after that about Jamaican. He make it seems as if he really appreciate the time and experience he had with Jamaican. When we know say enough of them duns, the ball of them duns. See all Whitmore got try coach blood clot Jamaica national team, and Ja make him look disgraceful. Yeah, you think I saw this blood clotting you go? Eh? You disrespect Renee Simoes, you dirty nastiness, you know. Yeah, man. And you can't go back there. Ja will probably make you go the next World Cup still. Because you see, when you read the Bible, you find out that Ja always place a curse per man with a time limit. So Ja will curse some people for 40 years of them life, and then him lift the curse off of them. You see what I say? So I believe a something like that him do Jamaica. And Jamaica now take heed. You get what I say? Stop disrespect people who not disrespect nobody and feel like say you can talk to them any disrespectful way because them a do something where you don't like. If them not fight nobody, allow them and don't disrespect them. We disrespect people who disrespect Kartel and a fight against Kartel and a fight against the good people them. You see me? Oh, you for this somebody where I rub up them skin in a panty and bra. Like, what are the first you not see people in a panty and bra? You not go beach, go see people in a panty and bra. Eh? All in the back of the yard, at the front of the yard, in a summertime. Look how much Jamaican go dep on social media, the girl them in a bra and panty this summer. Look how much of them go dep on, look how much of them, and nobody now cuss them. Lisa Hanna continue doing you and do your thing, baby. You're blessed. Them stress. You see me?
You don't have to worry about customs taking it or immigration or TSA taking it. It's 100 ml. This is not just cost.
Yeah, people, what is under my nose? I'm out. You wanna eat that aside? Mad thing. Welcome to the tune.